Hey everyone, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be making oven baked s'mores. So you're going to need some Hershey's chocolate, some graham crackers, and some marshmallows. So let's start assembling this yummy snack. You're going to take your Hershey's chocolate and you're going to put it on top of a graham cracker. Make sure that it's about the same size. Then you're going to take your marshmallow and put that on top. Now I usually get the marshmallows that are flat, more squared, but I didn't see them at the store I went to, so I just went with these. They work perfect, no big deal. So go ahead and put your marshmallows on top. And then you're going to put these babies in the oven on 400 for 3 to 5 minutes. When they come out, they're going to look like this. You're going to take your other graham cracker and just put it on top and just push it on down to get that chocolate ooey and gooey with those marshmallows. And once you push down the cracker, the marshmallow is just going to be fluffy and just ooey and gooey. This is a quick snack, and who does not like s'mores? And you know what? This can be for the Super Bowl game. It's quick, easy, and handy. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my yummy s'mores on a plate to be served. This snack is so easy to make, guys. It takes 3 minutes to prep and 3 to 5 minutes to bake, and it takes a minute to eat each square. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more yummy videos.